Guys, today I'm going to unbox Endurance Run BT wireless sweatproof. This is JBL by Harman, guys, and this is the side of the box. Here this is the back side, and here you get the model number, description, quantity, net contents, and MRP. MRP is rupees 3,199 inclusive of all taxes. This price is only for India, guys, and here you get manufactured by, imported and marketed by the things. If you want to buy this, guys, the link is in description. You can go there and buy, and the specs also is given in the video. Start the unboxing, guys. Here we open like this, and this is a magnetic technology, guys. And now let me open this thing. What is this? Okay, let's open this.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video, guys.
And here we get the earpiece, guys. This is JBL, and here we get extra buds, and this is, I think, the user manual, warranty card, and